What's up, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in southwest Pennsylvania. We're in the middle of March here. 70 degrees already. Just coming out to a local lake not far from my house. Public lake. Gonna check the panfish bite, see if we can get some crappies, maybe some big bluegills, see what else we get into today. But nice to come out here in the middle of the week. Actually the first nice day that I've actually hit on a couple of my days off. So got the kayak, got the waders, just gonna hit some different spots and see what's biting today. So stay tuned. So there's this little point here where this tree fell in. That's where I'm trying to cast, right on the edge of that. I caught 2 crappies out of there. Just trying to get the GoPro turned on and lost one, but they're tucked in that brush there. And this wind is blowing me around like a top. Spinning me around like a top, I guess I should say. But I got a few hookups, lots of snags. We're just gonna keep floating by here until the bite runs out. Well, that's going to be it for today. Nice first fishing trip out of the kayak for 2024. Forgot a few things, of course. Didn't catch as many crappies as I would hope to, but got a few, hooked up a few more. And this wind's just beating me up. It's been the story of the day. But yeah, nice day to be out. Kind of broken sun, which was nice, not getting baked or anything, but nice day on the water. Caught a couple fish, hooked into a few more, and it's just getting started here. So I'll check back with you soon. Well, it was a nice half a day on the water. I'm not gonna lie, it would have been nice to have a bucket full of big crappie slabs to put in some peanut oil, but it's not always about catching a bunch of fish or shooting a bunch of animals. So just a beautiful day in the middle of March. Head out there and enjoy the day and have some fun on the water. So that's what I did. And like I said, we're just getting started. 2024 kicking off. Pretty soon we'll be morel mushroom hunting and turkey hunting and bow fishing and summer fishing. I've always got a bunch of deer habitat work to do this time of year also, so I'll be bringing that all to you guys when I get a chance. I'll tell you, hunting out of that kayak's really got me motivated to get that bass boat up and ready. So now that the weather's starting to break a little bit, it'll be nicer days to work outside and knock that out. So I'll be bringing you some of the steps to that too as we go through that, and that's going to be fun getting that ready for the year. So get out there and enjoy the outdoors, everybody. We're very blessed in this country to have all this stuff at our fingertips. So get out there and enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you all later.